Tangem hardware wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Tangem wallet looks like a credit card, but it's actually a full hardware wallet that fits in your pocket. It claims to make crypto storage both simple and ultra secure, but does it deliver? Let's dive into the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Tangem's biggest advantage is its design. Unlike bulky hardware wallets that need just cables or Bluetooth connections, Tangem is a tap-and-go NFC wallet. You simply tap it to your phone to sign transactions, no batteries, no setup headaches. Security is another major win. Tangem cards use EAL-certified secure chips, the same level used in passports and bank cards. Your private keys are generated inside the chip and never leave it, meaning no one, not even Tangem, can access them. Each Tangem wallet also comes as a set of 2 or 3 cards. That's your backup system. Lose one, just use the others to recover your funds. It's a brilliant, simple way to handle redundancy without writing down recovery phrases. The Tangem app is also intuitive, allowing you to view balances, send tokens, and interact with multiple blockchains including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 1,000 others. Now, the cons. While Tangem supports many assets, it doesn't handle NFTs or complex DeFi interactions very well. It's mainly focused on storing and sending tokens securely, not advanced crypto features. Another potential drawback is limited transparency. While Tangem's security chips are verified, the wallet's firmware isn't fully open source, which makes some users cautious. And because it's a physical device, if you lose all your cards without backups, your funds are gone forever. There is no recovery option through Tangem. In conclusion, the Tangem hardware wallet app is one of the most elegant and practical ways to store crypto safely. The surprising truth? It strips away complexity and makes cold storage as easy as tapping your card, proving that real security can also be simple.